Oh, it's a box in a box, which is very, very sleep deprived. iPhone 17 Pro Max in. I am feeling the effects of jet lag, but I wanted to do a little bit of a more lighthearted video, something that I don't really have to think about. So I have 3 packages that I want to unbox, not completely unbox, but just to know what these packages are so that I can actually create content on them and plan accordingly. So we have the first package right here. I still don't know what this is, to be honest. INPHIC.cn. Oh, it's a box in a box. Would you look at that? Okay, so this is a mouse. I remember now. It is clear to me what this is so I'm excited to get this unboxed, but we're not going to do this right now. I will have a dedicated video on that. Another one. This is the second package, which I will use the knife for this time. I am very, very sleep deprived, so I apologize if I am not up to par with my usual videos. This is another pair of monitors, KZ Taurus in black with a mic and no switches. So I'm very excited to finally try out some monitors with a mic and see how they sound, because I do some gaming here and there and I don't really like using headphones. So if this mic is decent, this is great. I don't care if they're wired, I will use them. So again, this will have their own dedicated unboxing. I just wanted to see what they are. And this one, I'm pretty sure I know what this is, but we are going to unbox it. Anyways, this is from Ondar. What is this? I'm opening it because you can't open it. It's for the iPhone. Very cool. Ondar. Jason, thanks for being here with us. We're so happy to share our Aspen for iPhone 17 with you. We hope you enjoy the Ondar team. Cool. So there's a couple more things in this. Got the Ondar Aspen. They sent me this case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is my previous iPhone. Oh, and then this is the full grain leather AirPods Pro case, but this is for the 2nd generation. I do, in fact, have the 3rd generation AirPods Pros, and I absolutely love them. Let me grab them right here. They're charging. I have a very cheap case from Best Buy. This was $10, and yeah, they don't look too much different at first glance, but the case is a little bit bigger. The AirPods Pro 3s do look a little bit different in comparison to the 2s. Oh, I completely forgot that I was wearing the Pros, the Pro 2s. Yeah, I still do use these pretty much every day, by the way. These won't replace each other. I think I will be using them together because I use these like 24/7, and once one battery or one of the AirPods dies, I will use the other pair. So yes, I will be using these together. Anyways, AirPods Pro 3s, if you are a brand who makes cases for these specifically, like I'm looking for aramid fiber, I love aramid fiber cases, hit me up. Let's work something out. But anyways, Ondar Aspen, we are gonna check this out because I can just put it back in the box, I'm not gonna lie. So this is, ooh, in a green color. So this is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're gonna do a sniff test. Yes, leather, and then you got metal buttons on the side, it looks like. I think they're metal, don't quote me on that. And then you got the camera button on the side. Again, not like a full-on dedicated video, I'm just doing a quick unboxing to just know what these things are. So yeah, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the blue colorway. I got the tech woven case from Apple. I got this while I was in New York, so I wanted to protect it right away. So I ended up buying a case from there as well as a screen protector. This is like $100 worth of accessories from Apple, which is insane. $40 for a screen protector, $60 for a case, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do to protect your phone and to be able to use it right away. So I love this thing. Not gonna lie, not really a huge step up from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It was not that, like, the battery life is a lot better, the thermals are a lot better. The camera, kind of the same thing. The 4 times telephoto and then the 8 times telephoto is like pretty cool. And I really love the extra flexibility, but you know, the 5 times zoom was good enough for me. What else? This thing is pretty much synced up on my iCloud, so it looks exactly the same as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it doesn't really feel like a new phone to me, which is, I guess, in a way good because I'm used to it and I could just get to using it right away. That's really all there is to this video. Just wanted to unbox some packages, talk about my iPhone, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.